If you only knew the battles raging silently in the dark, the trust we gave, the knives that came and left their bleeding mark, legal storms and stolen money, a sabotage designed to crush the dream we carried close, leave nothing left behind.
Oh, the wolves were in the temple, wearing familiar skin, a Hollywood betrayal. Where do we begin?
They attacked the code, the heart, the hope. They tried burning every bridge, but fire only forged us stronger out there on the edge. From the shadows to the sunrise, we fought through every night. Through the embezzled lies and venom, we kept the vision bright. With our backs against the ruins, we never dropped the flame. 'Cause the dream was worth the bleeding, worth weathering the shame. Now the thunder's fading, here comes the sun again. Oh, you who never left us when the night was closing in. Your faith became the compass guiding home through thick and thin. Together we are rising stronger now than ever known. This dream's no longer fragile, it's carved in blood and the shadows to the sunrise, the light is breaking free. What was stolen, sabotaged, now fuels our destiny. We're reclaiming every promise, every future, every scene. Hold tight, 'cause once is rising, bold, awake and clean. The best is yet unfolding, can't you feel it breathe? Stay tuned. The greatest scenes, they're still to come.